Today's star of the shave is the Alysworth Apex Ti razor. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today, we're doing a shave and chat. And today, the star of the shave is the Alysworth Apex Ti razor. I'm using the Tatara blade with it. And the soap, it's a special soap. It's one of my early soaps. It's a crazy pumpkin from Areffa soaps. Also, I'm using Hoffman's Affogato splash. And as a balm, I'm using Italia from Captain's Choice. And I'm using a beautiful Alysworth Altare handle with a G5C knot and my trusty razor company ladder ball. I usually say TRC ladder ball, but I'm like, I'm all discombobulated. And of course, my beautiful bougie sprayer. Wow. I really was looking forward to this shave for many reasons, because today is a special moment in my wet shaving journey. You ask what it is? Guess what it is? Okay, I'll tell you. How can I hear you guessing? The video's not even up and you have to put it in the comments. Okay, this is what it is. Today, as a wet shaver, I seriously started it in January 1st of 2023, and this is already 2026, so in a little over 3 years, I finally ended up with my first soap tub finish. Areffa, crazy pumpkin. Look, no soap! Oh my god. And I'm like, so much emotions of happiness and like, oh my god, I'm like, milestones rushed into me. And I'm like, okay, Jason, what would be a great last of a shave with a soap? Come on, tell me in the comments. If you have a tub that you wanted to finish, what would be the last shave you would do with it? Like, your hardware and besides the soap as the software. Would you do it with the matching splash, or would you build it as a meal? And I'm like, I wanted to go out elegantly. I wanted to have like a final James Bond send-off. And as soon as I mentioned James Bond, I'm like, oh, Alysworth Apex Ti. That just popped in my head. I was sitting on the floor thinking about that. Oh, man. And to be honest with you, the amount of soap I had left, I could have easily done 2, maybe a 3rd use. But I'm like, no, I want to go out in style, like a Viking. Like, a Viking funeral where they put the body on a raft and they drift it off in the middle of the ocean or river, wherever they are, and they shoot these arrows of fire. I wanted it like that. Look at that beautiful ladder, baby. Oh, man. I feel like another thing off my bucket list as a wet shaver, to finish a tub. And the crazy thing is I got a couple of more soaps that I'm about to finish. Let me know in the comments, how did you feel when you first finished your first soap? And did any memories come and rush in? For me, I'm very emotionally attached to my soap. Or let me rephrase it. I'm emotionally attached to my software and hardware. Everything wet shaving, because it brings back joy and memories. God, is it me, or if you find this special angle with the Apex Ti razor, that sweet spot, it feels like it's a squeegee, like you're cleaning a window, or yeah, you understand what I'm saying, right? For me, I hear like a swoosh, like a vacuuming, but also the feedback. Oh man. As you can see, I'm so happy. It's like something I could cross off my list. I'm like, oh, I finished the tub. I'm an artisan. Woo! Yeah. Oh, man. I'm curious. What was your first tub you finished? I don't know if you hear, I think my neighbor's playing the horn or trumpet or whatever, but hey, I have my earphones or buds, whatever you want to call it, and if you hear it, great. If not, I just want to give you the heads up. Oh my God, look at this beautiful. I'm going to enjoy this last lathering up, build it up really special and big. I am so happy. You know why I chose this Areffa Crazy Pumpkin? I'm going through and I got a few samples and I kept smelling it. I'm like, why do I love this crazy pumpkin? It so happened I got it in, I think it was the fall or the winter of 2023. I kept smelling it and smelling it. And then my mom made pumpkin pie. And I'm like, oh my God, this is my mom's pumpkin pie in a shave soap. And I'm like, yep. I ordered it and it came, and long story short, I had many beautiful, luxurious shaves with it. Some on lives, mine and others, and even a couple of videos. But this is the end, my friend. Great journey. Oh man, I wanna one last time with Crazy Pumpkin from Areffa soap. I'm gonna make this last pass count. God, thank you. Oh my God. Oh man. I'm so glad I chose the razor and the blade and the brush and the whole shave of the day lineup for it. I feel like it's going out like a Viking warrior. Okay. I gotta rinse up a little bit, sorry. I got a little crazy with the lather on my hand. Clean. Oh, thank you, my friend. I had a bond with it because it, like I said, it brought back great memories and smells. Scent and smells could be so sentimental and bring back so much joy. Oh man, I'm so honored. Yeah. Now, do you think I should get another tub of it? Or I should move on and try something else? And then enjoy the memory I had with this tub. Let me know in the comments. Oh man, I can't wait to read your comments about how you feel about finishing a soap tub. Yeah. God, I love this razor. Caleb, you make a great razor. Let me rinse off. Oh man. Oof. Look at me being messy and silly. Oh. I still got towels, wipes left of me. Oh, these are great inventions. I mean, not only to clean yourself and to change diapers, but for shaving. Because I try keeping the focus of the camera. Do some Hoffman's Affogato splash. I'm not speaking. I'm just so thinking in the moment about all the shaves I have. I don't remember every shave, but I remember the special ones. Have me Crazy Pumpkin with some coffee Affogato and some Italia. It's like a biscotti cookie. Wow. Thank you for staying in the end, and thank you for helping me honor such a great soap. So today I used Affogato Crazy Pumpkin. The last shave of it. If I buy a new one, I'll let you know. If not, hey, I'll move on to something great. Hoffman's Affogato Splash. Captain's Choice Italia Balm. My beautiful Alysworth Altare brush with the G5C knot. And my beautiful TRC lather bowl. My bougie sprayer, and of course, the star of the shave, my Alysworth Apex Ti with a Tatara blade. Wow, thank you for staying to the end. And if you have time at 9 a.m. Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time, go to Instagram and go to either The Razor Company or The Razor Company Live on their Instagram page. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And thank you and have a great day. And thank you for staying to the end.